Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn about prepositions. Prepositions are words that show its relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. They help us understand time, places, direction, and more. Whether you are new to learning English or just want to improve your English grammar, this video is dedicated for you. Don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons. Without further ado, let's get started. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. For example, in the sentence, the book is on the table, the word on is a preposition because it shows the relationship between book and table. Types of prepositions. Now let's look at the different types of prepositions. There are 5 main types: prepositions of time, place, direction, agent, and instrument. Prepositions of time. Prepositions of time tell us when something happens. Examples are at, on, and in. We use them in sentences like, I will meet you at 5 o'clock. She was born on Monday, and he will arrive in July. Prepositions of place. Prepositions of place tell us where something is located. Examples are in, on, and under. We use them in sentences like, the cat is in the box, the book is on the table, and the shoes are under the bed. Prepositions of direction. Prepositions of direction tell us where something is going or coming from. Examples are to, from, and into. We use them in sentences like, she is going to the store, he came from the park, and the ball rolled into the garden. Prepositions of agent. Prepositions of agent show who or what is performing an action. Examples are by and with. We use them in sentences like, the book was written by Hare, and the cake was made with love. Prepositions of instrument. Prepositions of instrument show the means or tools used to do something. Examples are with and by. We use them in sentences like, she wrote the letter with a pen, and he traveled by car. Prepositional phrases. A prepositional phrase is a group of words that starts with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. For example, in the morning and on the table are prepositional phrases. We use them in sentences like, I will see you in the morning, and the keys are on the table. Some prepositions can be confusing. For example, in and at are both used for places, but in is used for larger areas like cities or countries, and at is used for specific places like an address or a building. Another example is on and in. For time, we say on Monday, we use on for the days of the week, but in July, we use in for the months. To sum up, prepositions are very important in English language. They help us understand relationships between nouns and other words in a sentence. And remember the types of prepositions: time, place, direction, agent, and instrument. Also practice using prepositional phrases and learn the differences between commonly confused prepositions like on and in for time and more. And keep practicing and you'll get better every single day. And thank you so much for watching. Now here's a question for you to drop your answers down below the comment section. In the comment section, can you make a sentence using a preposition of place and a preposition of time? Please drop them down below in the comments section below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy English lessons. See you next time.